Edison, you like Santa Claus.
You look like Santa Claus.
Yeah, Edison, you're Santa Claus, son.
You're a mom. Actually,
Mr. Young Boy,
DC,
the scene has Santa Claus, and Mom has to say he has supposed to get the Santa Claus, else ain't none. You have to don't touch the gingerbread cookies, or the milk has supposed to say he has a white beard, red hat, and a red shirt. Has something has to say the Santa Claus has a booby trap. Has something words to say it's a kind like a booby trap. Oh, the booby traps has something has to Santa Claus. They believe there are no ghosts or the dead leg. They suppose they're watching us. The same guys has supposed they're watching is going to
be thanking us.
Yes, we know, Edison. It's Santa Claus and it's white beard and
they're very warm.
Hey, Mr. Edison.
Are they
Have John Ratzenberger has an actor?
gonna hatch soon? Good question. I'll find.
John Ratzenberger has to go to the construction worker guy needs to be find him.
Down.
I'm like the construction builder is still like there.
Yeah?
Hey!
Mr. Edison!
Morning, Mr. Fredrickson. Need any help there?
Well, sir. Yes, sir. How about this guy has supposed to like idea like John Ratzenberger looks good to me.
No.
Well,
Yes.
yes, sir, team guys.
Tell your boss over there that you boys are ruining our house.
Well, just to let you know, my boss will be happy to take this whole place off your hands and for double his last offer. What do you say to that?
Blow dryer.
Please.
Take that as a no then.
Yeah, you know what, two guys.
I believe I made my position to your boss quite clear.
Actually,
Mr. Fredrickson.
DC,
These guys are pretend they're watching us all has a poor Jews has to pretend there was supposed to they're having this so this gas tank is going to
be thanking us.
Yeah, Edison.
You poured prune juice in his gas tank.
Yeah, that was good. Here, let me talk to him.
You in the suit. Yes, you. Take a bath, hippie.
I am not with him.
This is serious. He's out to get your house.
Yeah, he's got to get you out into his house. You know what I said?
Tell your boss he can have
Our new
house.
Really?
Really?
When I'm dead.
I am alive. It seems Carver Ferguson. It seems they're not having it kicked out the slam doors. Well,
Good question.
what about you, Mr. Construction Worker Guy?
I'll take that as a maybe.
Good question, Mr. Construction Builder.
I'll
I'll find Cody and
find
him
out.